Faizan here and welcome back to my channel Big by Faizan. So today we are making fudgy brownie and this recipe doesn't contain any egg, which I'm gonna share with you all how to make fudgy brownie at home without using any egg in the recipe. This recipe is so amazing delicious because I have never had fudgy brownie without using any egg myself. So this is my very first time I have tried this recipe at home. This is so amazing. It turned out so amazing, delicious, so decadent chocolate brownie, fudgy brownie recipe, which I'm going to share with you all today in this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with the recipe.
To make eggless fudgy brownie, we need flour. Here I am taking almost 70 grams of all-purpose flour and 15 grams of cocoa powder. Now into that cocoa powder and all-purpose flour I am putting baking powder, which is about 1 teaspoon. Along with baking powder I am putting half teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good mix using a spoon. I'm using baking soda in this recipe because this recipe also contains yogurt. And baking soda reacts in the presence of an acid, so this is definitely gonna work. Now after mixing, keep it aside. Now here our dry ingredients are ready and been mixed. This is chocolate I'm taking, which is about 100 grams. Now I'm gonna melt this chocolate along with butter, which is about 70 grams. You can melt it either over double boiler or in the microwave. I know using a microwave is far easier than using a double boiler, so go for that. Now take another bowl, take yogurt into that bowl, which is about 100 grams. Clean the bowl properly because measurement in baking is so important. You cannot waste or left anything unclean. Into that yogurt, I am putting powdered sugar. This powdered sugar I am taking scaled about 80 grams. Whisk it until sugar dissolves completely and your yogurt gets light, and you will see bubbles starts appearing on the surface of this yogurt. You have to whisk it for about 5 minutes. That's it. And if you are using a hand mixer, then it's gonna take almost 2 minutes. That's it. And I know you would prefer using a hand mixer to whisk it. That is fine. Okay, after whisking it, I'm gonna put, guess what? Melted chocolate and butter. When you start adding the melted chocolate and the butter into the yogurt and sugar, you will see it starts getting thick. It happens because the temperature of the chocolate comes down and it makes the chocolate get set. So be quick in mixing once you add the chocolate and the butter into the yogurt and sugar. Just be quick. Be quick in mixing, and you have to mix it until chocolate combines very well with the yogurt. After mixing the chocolate into the yogurt, I am adding all the dry ingredients we have mixed earlier into this wet ingredients. Now again we are adding more ingredients into this chocolate, so be quick. Mix it by cut and fold method. Just be quick. When you see your brownie batter getting thicker and thicker once you are adding all the ingredients one by one, it is really a good sign that your brownie batter is perfect and you do not need to worry about anything because see, it's getting thicker. So amazing, delicious, still having that chocolate aroma. This is so amazing. Okay, now I'm adding vanilla essence. This is about 4 to 5 drops. That is enough. Just to give our brownie a hint of vanilla. That's it. And since we are not using any egg in this recipe, so there is no need to retard the smell of the egg. It is fine. And transfer the brownie batter into the butter paper lined cake tin or cake pan. I have this pan, but if you wish you can use square one, that is far better to make brownies. You can see how thick this brownie batter has got. You have to spread it using your rubber spatula. Spread it evenly to the edges of the pan. Make sure you have spread it evenly so your brownie will turn out evenly baked and the surface will be even. You would never like to serve the brownies which are uneven from the surface, right? So spread it evenly. That is the only way to get the brownies perfect. Now bake your brownie into the preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Let me tell you one thing. In the oven, you will see your brownie has risen. But after rising, when you take this out of the oven, you will see your brownie will get sunk. This is not a bad thing. This is gonna happen because our brownie has to be fudgy. See, you can see it has sunk. It is totally fine. Let the brownie get cool completely into the pan before taking it out and cutting. Once your brownie gets cool completely, take it out from the pan and cut into squares. I like to eat chocolate brownie with salted caramel sauce, but most people like it to have with chocolate sauce. So you can have it with chocolate sauce and vanilla ice cream, which is very common these days. It is your wish, whatever you like and however you like to eat this brownie, either with chocolate sauce or caramel sauce or vanilla ice cream, it's up to you. Anyways, here you have decadent chocolate fudgy brownie.
So if you have watched my video until here, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment below. Let me know what recipes you want me to make and share with you all in future. So until next time, have a great day.